In this video, we will be taking a closer look at the UTB05 Europress battery-powered pressing tool, a German manufactured tool renowned for its high quality. Now this pressing tool is extremely popular with installers, known as our mid-sized tool, capable of pressing a range of pipe sizes from 15mm up to 54mm. Due to its lightweight and versatility, it can be used for small-scale projects and is robust and powerful enough to tackle those larger installations. Let's explore the specification features and benefits of the UTB05. Now, due to the low weight, well-balanced, ergonomic pistol grip design of the tool, this makes for easy one-hand operation and exceptional installer comfort, with the total combined weight of the pressing tool and battery, excluding the jaw, is only 3.5 kg. Now the physical dimension of the tool is an approximate overall length of 360mm. Now the tool incorporates a quick stop function, which gives it a very high safety factor. If the user is performing a pressing cycle and realizes that something has gone wrong or moved, as soon as the trigger is released, the tool will immediately stop rather than going through a slow down period before stopping. Now the UTB05 has a short piston stroke length, giving a short pressing cycle time of as low as 3 to 4 seconds. Now this helps to improve efficiency and reduce overall project installation times. Now the head of the tool can be rotated 350 degrees so that tight installation situations can be mastered. It has interchangeable jaws and chains with the larger UTB08 pressing tool, making this tool extremely versatile. Now the great thing about this is it means if the installer decides to expand their toolkit in the future, investment in another set of jaws and accessories is not necessary, and you can interchange them between the two tools. This tool has an integral preset pressure sensor and an HPC monitoring system, providing the installer absolute assurance of consistency in every completed connection. The tool will reliably perform the pressing cycle and will automatically release and retract once the correct pressure is achieved. Now if for some reason this pressure is not reached, the tool will sound an audible and visual alarm. A powerful Makita 18V 4A battery is supplied standard, along with a battery charger, and has a charging time of approximately 22 minutes. Now this tool has an LED light that keeps you informed about the tool's status. So if the battery is going flat, or if the tool hasn't reached its required torque settings, it will illuminate to alert the installer. It also has an inbuilt alarm system, so along with the visual system, it also includes an audio one as well. Now the LED light also illuminates the pressing area, ideal for working safely in low light situations. This tool allows you to download an operation report from the tool via the iPress app. This is great for QA processes on a project, so you can download an operation log to include in your project QA documentation. It also allows you to pick up on any underperformance, so you can get your tool serviced in a timely manner before any issues are encountered. The UTB05 is available for either hire or purchase. It is a fantastic option for any pipeline installer, installing the Europress press fit pipe system, especially large volumes of fittings in the small to mid-size range. We recommend purchasing this product if you see yourself needing it for a lot of installations in the future. Thanks for watching this Waterworks training video.